Welcome! As winter hushes the world, hummingbirds, tiny marvels of energy, face a desperate search for food. By planting winter-blooming species, we can turn our gardens into vital sanctuaries, ensuring these winged jewels survive the cold and bringing vibrant life to our landscapes. Our journey begins with Mahonia, the Oregon grape, a winter garden sentinel. Standing tall and resilient, Mahonia is one of the few plants that dares to shine when the world is cold and gray. Its presence in the garden is a quiet promise that life endures, even in the harshest months. Its spiny, evergreen leaves provide structure, forming a protective shield of deep green that remains vibrant when most other plants have faded. These tough, holly-like leaves not only add texture and color to the winter landscape, but also offer shelter for small creatures seeking refuge from the cold. But its true magic is the eruption of golden, fragrant flowers in the heart of winter. Against a backdrop of frost and snow, these blooms burst forth in dazzling clusters, their color a striking contrast to the muted tones of the season. These blooms, bright as sunlight, release a sweet perfume that beckons hungry hummingbirds. The scent drifts through the chilly air, a signal to any nearby pollinators that nourishment awaits. For a hummingbird, Mahonia is a lifeline, a reliable, energy-rich nectar source when little else is available. In the depths of winter, when food is scarce and survival is a daily challenge, these golden flowers become a vital resource. Planting Mahonia isn't just about winter beauty, it's about providing a critical refueling station. By adding this shrub to your garden, you're offering a sanctuary for hummingbirds and other pollinators, helping them weather the toughest season. Watch as hummingbirds dart among the golden flowers, a living testament to the partnership between plant and pollinator. Their rapid wings and vibrant feathers bring movement and life to the stillness of winter, creating a scene of hope and resilience. In your garden, Mahonia becomes more than a plant. It's a beacon of hope and survival. Its golden blossoms light up the landscape, reminding us that even in the coldest, darkest days, nature finds a way to thrive. Its presence ensures hummingbirds have the fuel they need to endure the coldest days. Each visit to the Mahonia is a small victory, a moment of sustenance that helps these tiny birds persist until spring returns. Add Mahonia, and you'll witness the drama of winter survival unfold right outside your window. The simple act of planting this shrub transforms your garden into a stage where the story of endurance and interdependence plays out before your eyes. It's a simple act with a profound impact. By choosing Mahonia, you're not just adding color to your winter garden, you're supporting the delicate balance of life, offering hope and sustenance when it's needed most. Next, let's turn our attention to the camellia, often called the winter rose. This graceful evergreen shrub is a true gem in the garden, especially when most other plants have faded into dormancy. Camellias dazzle in winter's gloom, their glossy green leaves and radiant blooms, providing a welcome burst of color when the world outside seems gray and lifeless. Varieties like Camellia sasanqua begin to bloom from late autumn, their vibrant flowers blazing against the cold. These blossoms can last for weeks, sometimes even months, offering a continuous display of beauty through the harshest weather. The large, bowl-shaped blooms are a visual beacon in the winter garden, with golden stamens at their center that catch the light and draw the eye. Hidden within these flowers are nectaries that lure hummingbirds, providing a vital food source when little else is available. These flowers offer both beauty and sustenance, standing out in the barren landscape and transforming the winter garden into a place of life and activity. As hummingbirds feed, they pollinate the camellia, creating a delicate dance of mutual benefit. The birds get nourishment, and the flowers ensure their continued survival through pollination. Planting a winter-blooming camellia brings year-round color to your garden, ensuring that even in the coldest months, there's something beautiful to admire. It also supports local hummingbirds when they need it most, offering them a reliable source of nectar during the lean winter season. The camellia is living proof that life and color can thrive even in the coldest months, defying the frost and snow with its resilience and beauty. Choose camellia, and your garden becomes a winter haven, a sanctuary for both people and wildlife, filled with color, fragrance, and gentle movement. The reward is not just visual splendor, but also the joy of supporting wildlife and witnessing the quiet magic of nature, even in the heart of winter. Meet Lonicera fragrantissima, the winter honeysuckle, a plant that announces itself with scent, not color. In the heart of winter, when most gardens are silent and bare, this remarkable shrub quietly comes to life. While other plants wait for spring, winter honeysuckle dares to bloom, offering a fragrant promise that warmer days will return. Its creamy white flowers appear on bare stems, filling the cold air with a powerful lemony fragrance. The scent drifts on the breeze, cutting through the chill, and inviting both people and wildlife to take notice. Even on the grayest days, this perfume brings a sense of hope and renewal to the winter landscape. For hummingbirds, this scent is a beacon, guiding them to nectar when visual cues are scarce. In a season when food is hard to find, the fragrance acts like a secret signal, drawing these tiny birds from afar. It's nature's way of ensuring that even in the coldest months, life continues to thrive. The tubular flowers are perfectly shaped for hummingbird beaks, offering a hidden reward. As the birds feed, they also help pollinate the plant, creating a beautiful partnership between flower and visitor. This mutual exchange is a quiet marvel of winter ecology. By planting winter honeysuckle, you add fragrance and vital food to your garden. It's a simple act that supports pollinators and brings sensory delight to your outdoor space. Imagine stepping outside on a frosty morning and being greeted by the sweet scent of blossoms even before you see them. Even the most unassuming flowers can play a crucial role in the ecosystem. These delicate blooms, though small and easily overlooked, provide essential nourishment and shelter for wildlife during the harshest time of year. Watch as hummingbirds follow the invisible trail of scent to find sustenance. Their presence brings movement and color to the winter garden, reminding us that beauty and life persist, even in the coldest months. It's a subtle, sensory celebration of winter survival, a reminder that even in the quietest season, nature finds ways to connect, nourish, and inspire. Witch hazel, or hamamelis, defies winter with its fiery, spidery blooms. These ribbon-like petals unfurl in brilliant yellows and reds, often when snow still covers the ground. The flowers emit a spicy, sweet fragrance and provide rare winter nectar. Hummingbirds are drawn to the bright clusters, finding sustenance in a season of scarcity. Witch hazel's resilience and unique beauty make it a standout in any garden. Its prolonged bloom offers a critical food source for early pollinators. Plant witch hazel, and you'll witness flashes of life amid dormant branches. It's a living sculpture, celebrating nature's tenacity. From Australia comes Grevillea, an evergreen marvel with exotic, spider-like flowers. Many Grevillea species bloom through winter, their curling tubes brimming with nectar. These bold, colorful blossoms are designed for nectar-feeding birds, offering a banquet for hummingbirds. A single Grevillea shrub can provide much of a hummingbird's daily energy needs. Their evergreen foliage also offers shelter, making them a year-round resource. In mild climates, Grevillea is an unparalleled winter provider. Planting one is like opening a 5-star resort for hummingbirds. It's a vibrant, exotic outpost of life in the winter garden. Manzanita, native to western North America, is a winter survivor with stunning red bark and leathery leaves. As winter wanes, it produces clusters of tiny, urn-shaped flowers, delicate bells filled with nectar. These blooms are irresistible to hummingbirds, especially Anna's hummingbirds. The bird hovers beneath the flowers, feeding in a specialized posture. Manzanita is a cornerstone of its native habitat, supporting wildlife and bridging the gap to spring. Its early blooms fuel hummingbirds as they prepare for breeding season. Planting manzanita brings a piece of wild chaparral and vital resources into your garden. Its subtle beauty with a powerful ecological impact. Flowering quince, or chenomeles, bursts into bloom as winter fades, its fiery flowers emerging from thorny branches. The cup-shaped blossoms in shades of scarlet and pink are rich in nectar and pollen. Hummingbirds are drawn to the bright colors and accessible flowers. The thorny structure offers protection, creating a safe, feeding haven. Flowering quince bridges the gap between winter and spring, providing an essential energy boost. Its dramatic blooms signal the end of the cold season. The plant also rewards gardeners with fruit for preserves. It's a generous provider for both wildlife and people. Hellebore, or Lenten Rose, thrives in the cool shade of late winter. Its tough, nodding flowers push through frozen soil, offering long-lasting blooms in subtle hues. The cup-shaped flowers protect nectar and pollen from harsh weather. Hummingbirds, especially early in the year, visit these blooms for sustenance. Hellebores add texture and a crucial low-growing food source to the garden. Their winter to spring flowering supports the earliest hummingbirds. Plant hellebores to create a layered, resilient habitat. Edgeworthia chrysantha, or paperbush, enchants with silvery buds and buttery yellow pom-pom flowers. Its powerful, spicy sweet fragrance fills the late winter air, luring hummingbirds from afar. The downward-facing clusters require hovering, rewarding birds with abundant nectar. Edgeworthia's unique beauty and scent make it a garden highlight. Its bark is prized for papermaking, but its true value is in its sensory display. Planting Edgeworthia invites magic and life into the winter landscape. It's a feast for the senses, and for hummingbirds. Viburnums, especially Viburnum exbodenintense and Viburnum tinus, are winter-blooming heroes. Dawn offers fragrant pinkish-white flowers on bare stems, while Laurustinus blooms with dense heads of tiny white flowers. Both provide long-lasting nectar and shelter for hummingbirds. Their extended bloom means reliable food through the coldest months. Dense foliage offers safe perches between feedings. Planting viburnum ensures your garden is a dependable winter refuge. They are the steadfast providers that help hummingbirds greet spring in full health. Through winter's quiet, these plants offer hope, color, and life. By planting even one, you support biodiversity and transform your garden into a living ecosystem. Your efforts help hummingbirds survive and thrive, turning a simple act into conservation. Thank you for joining this journey. May your garden be full of life, even in winter. Like, subscribe, and share to inspire more winter sanctuaries.